Hello and welcome back to another episode of Hi Haley. So this week I was in a scenario where I needed to create a button in the header of my Power Pages website. Unfortunately, there wasn't a simple drag and drop option, so I had to dive deeper and just manually create it myself. So I thought it would be a great idea for a demo because I know someone else has had to face the same issue. So let's dive into it. All right, so we are back again in Alumni Central. And here is where I want my button to be. So over here, I couldn't find an option for me to just drag a button over here like I did register for an event. So to do so, we're going to click the three dots here next to home and click edit code. Then click open Visual Studio. All right, so here I'm in Visual Studio. I need to find the header. So over here on the left-hand side, you're going to go down to Web Templates. You should see an option called header.html. So within here, you have all sorts of good stuff that basically designs this top portion here of your website. So I want this to be in between my logo in the top left-hand corner and the navigation on the far right. So the perfect spot to do just that is here at line 24. You can mess with this and paste it in different places just to see if you can get it where you want it to be, because yours probably looks different than mine here. So I've already created the code for this. I will copy and paste it in the description. So if you want to just change what I've done to make it fit your need, you can. Here on line 24, I just have a comment to say, hey, this is my button. I try to be neat within here, but easier said than done. So I'm going to call this my Discover button. Now this could easily be a button that takes you to a donation site. It could take you to an events page, a specific school, whatever it may be. Just change it to fit what you're trying to do. So A tags and HTML are used to create hyperlinks. It allows users to navigate to another web page, is all it does. I set my target to be blank, and what that'll do is open a new tab when users click my link, which is here in the href tag. All right, so button name is Discover Button. ID is the same. Again, this is a button. And then here is where you're actually going to put what is in the button. So for mine, I just want it to say Discover. Change this out for whatever your needs are. And that's all you need to do for this one. Go ahead and click Control S. And once it's saved, the white dot here at tab header.html will disappear. And then just click Sync. Once Power Pages has synced what you've done, you should see your button here at the top. Unfortunately, it's very generic, not a very pretty button, so we're going to change a couple things using CSS for that. So heading back over to Visual Studio, get out of Web Templates, and you're going to go up to Web Files. And at the bottom, you should see something called theme.css. Now, automatically, I'm here at the bottom. And a habit I always add to the bottom of my CSS file, but you can add it from anywhere from within this CSS file here. So here I'm going to copy and paste my Discover Button CSS. Again, check the description of this video and you can just copy and paste it. But this is just setting my background color to be blue, removing that border, adding a display, font family, color, and then increasing the font size of that button. Now, if you're ever curious what any of this means, hover over it and the system will actually tell you kind of a snippet of what that feature is. Once ready, go ahead and click Control S. Again, your white dot will disappear and you can head back over to the studio to sync your changes. All right, so this looks much better. If you want to see that button in action, go ahead and click Preview, Desktop. And once your home page is open here, you should click Discover and it'll take you to the page. And that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us here at Ascendex. Thanks for watching.